Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we're going to look at the Lexus RX350, 350L and other models, how to remove the engine cover. It's a very simple process to remove it, and I'll show you how it looks on my vehicle. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon will be notified new videos, and I really appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, let's get started here. I have a 2019 Lexus RX350L all-wheel drive, and the color is called Silver Lightning Metallic for all those people that are interested. So I'm going to show you a little bit of my vehicle first. It is a very clean because it only has 10,300 some odd miles. And you know, most vehicles, the dealers especially, they detail the vehicle and the outside, and everything looks nice and clean, but they usually don't detail what's under the engine cover. So you want to look around when you're looking for a vehicle, and this is pre-owned, I mentioned, and you know, it looks in great shape and very low mileage. That's why I acquired this vehicle, and it looks really well and drives really well as well. So to open the engine cover, just lift this corner over here, and also lift this corner over here as well. And on the right side, you can lift either the top or the bottom one. Let's start with the top one over here, and this one come loose. You know, so that's just 4 areas that you need to lift. Then take out the engine cover. Simple as that. Inside, the engine cover is dirty. You actually could wash it, but make sure it's dry before you put it back on the vehicle. So, you know, that's how it looks like. Mine is pretty clean. So looking around, what's under the engine cover is basically the intake and such, and a lot of electronics. I would not advise you to wash under the engine cover over here, the components on the engine. So some of these, you know, you don't want to see any damage or get water in contact. So a lot of wiring, you probably noticed that. So don't get water over these components. Otherwise, your car may have problems starting. So in this case, the SUV may have problems starting. Notice the contact points over here, and over here, and over here, and the last one's over here. So when you put the engine cover back on, make sure you align that correctly. Otherwise, it will not hold in place with those contact points, right? So you can see that on the engine cover over here. And right now, I think I have the orientation wrong, so I'm going to flip it around and make sure the L is in the right direction. So it should look like this. All you need to do is actually just put it on top and align 1 or 2 of them, then the other ones to snap in. So I'm going to start with this one over here. You can feel with the hands, and this one I have to align a little bit better, and you put it over here. There it goes, and you push down just like that. Push down over here and push down over here. So that's how simple it is to install the engine cover back as well too. You're looking for a used vehicle, I will look around the hood, very important, in the engine bay. And you know, you take out the engine cover if you could, right? Take a look what's underneath. Maybe there's some work done over there, you know. And that's how you check if it's locked in place. Alright, by the way, the engine oil for my vehicle is OW20. So keep that in mind. So, and again, this is a video on the Lexus RX. And from model year 2016 to 2022. So nothing will change in that. Hopefully this video helps you out. I really appreciate a thumbs up. If you have a comment to share to help others or a question, please post it below. And I see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.